Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, click over here or go on to buy me a coffee. The link is in the description, and thank you guys so much for your support. Guys, here we go. This is a video, an Aussie Deb request. Aussie Deb says, now for some soul and Motown. Here's John singing Who's Loving You? Jackson 5 cover with Aussie band Human Nature. Aussie boy band Human Nature. His voice, the voice at his 50th birthday concert. John could sing any genre. I know you'll love it. Okay, so everybody watching, let's check out John Farnham. And before we start, guys, let me just say, you can request a video like Aussie Deb did, but if you want to request something big, this is how you do it. You go through the wish list. The wish list is a group request, a crowd fund for videos that I am not able to do by myself because they're either so long or so big or you know, just very, everything will be demonetized if I try to do it, and I won't have the time to focus on that, right? So we have here a project which is a commission of a fan art of Olivia Newton-John, rest in peace, and John Farnham. And we have the main event, which is a 3-hour concert. Otherwise, I would not be able to react to it, okay? But okay. Let's go, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm almost losing my voice. I don't know how John does it, you know, but let's go. Wow. Let's go with some Motown.
Sit around with my head hanging all the way down, and I wonder who's loving you, who's loving you.
Who's loving you? It's a good question.
Should have never since you've been gone away.
All a cappella.
Don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, all the way down, and I wonder who's loving you. I wonder who's been life without love.
Wow, what a voice.
Take it, girl. Come over here and take it. Because what can I do? I should have never.
Michael Jackson sang it when he was 6 with the Jackson 5. Oh, we need to watch that video. Michael Jackson at 6. Wow. Yeah, look how far he is from the microphone. He's wow. He's social distancing from that microphone.
I wonder who's been loving
Goodness, wow.
you.
Dang. Wow. Absolutely spectacular.
Yeah, the nature, folks. Are these boys sing or is it just my opinion?
Nah, they can sing.
Yeah.
They didn't even need any backup.
Very cool.
We're actually all big fans of John's. I must confess, I am the biggest fan of all of us. And the first CD I ever bought was the picture disc of Age of Reason. And John's there with his long locks and leather jacket. And I lost count the amount of times I got beaten up at school for bringing that out. So I don't think I ever told you that, John.
You never did deserve to be beaten up after that story. It's interesting, though. You have a go at me, but I've got a little shot for you guys now. Well, yes? I can do this. You can hate me. All right. Last night when we rehearsed this next song, that last song, pardon? Thank you very much. That's called timing.
It's called timing.
Last night when we rehearsed this song, you gave me a bit of a shock. I got it on a videotape, and you guys didn't know this. Roll the tape, please, guys. Check this out. When I'll stay in tune if I can. It's good. No, wait. Show this.
That's great.
That was really. What do you think?
There we go.
They had their pants dropped down.
We got it.
The lady's going wild.
That's not us.
Quick, turn it off. It gets worse.
That video is gonna live forever with their pants dropped down. Oh man, but there's such good sports. Man, such it's such a nice a cappella group, right? Is that how you call it? Motown. It's so nice to listen to it. And I just realized we haven't done a lot of Michael Jackson, you know. Are you gonna show what? What are you talking about? Oh, am I gonna drop my pants? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm kidding. Oh man. I think maybe you are delayed in the live stream. So that part has already passed. I think that's the thing. But anyways, we haven't reacted to Michael Jackson here, and it would be nice to have that as well. So if you're a fan, you know, you can request a video. But John Farnham and what's the name of the group again? Earth. Sorry, Human Nature. Human Nature. Why did I think Earth? Human Nature. Great performance by all of them, both John and Human Nature. They are such a good combination. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you want to request a video like Aussie Deb did, go over to Buy Me a Coffee, click over here or click over here, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.